This 50 go.
I told you to not drink and drive.
Trying to get a better shot for you, but this is the stuff we're going to be replacing right here. Kind of hard. We're going to be replacing this and the one on top of it. So those two right there. You can already see my water pump pulley. Alright, let's get this bad boy off. Alright, I'm doing this from the bottom of the car just to show you how to do this, but it's probably easier to do from the top. This is the belt tensioner right here. You want to go like this, then take the belt off. On this right here, the threads will be reversed. So you won't go righty tighty, lefty loosey. You'll go right to loosen it up. Alright, we got the tensioner pulley off. So what you're going to do is, it says you want to have the curved part facing the engine. Shit. That's the curve. I'm assuming. So this right here will go toward the engine. I guess we got the snap ring. But you see the curve right here? How it kind of... It's concave, it goes this way, it curves. But this side right here is flat, concave. So this part goes toward the front of the engine. Remember, it's left-hand thread. Now that we got the bottom one on, we'll start working on the top one. You're going to get a 13mm one and bust this bolt loose right here and take this top one off. Alright, we got the top one, the actual pulley, and we got the new one. Remember, you're going to want to put the concave part to the front of the engine. That's this part right here. See how it goes in like a deep dish rim? And this side goes straight down. The straight down side goes toward the engine. And this side goes to the front. Then you're going to get this right here. Stick it just like that. Alright, we got them both on now. I'm gonna get it finger tight. Okay, got it finger tight. Now where I messed up at on this bottom one, this washer is not supposed to be on there. So I gotta take this back off and take this big washer off. Number 10. Transfer the new pulley into the arm of the tensioner. Reinstall the tensioner without the steel washer. Without. You don't want this washer on there, so do not put this washer on there. Take it off. Get rid of the washer. Tighten it back down. Alright, we got both pulleys on, and now we're going to get the belt tensioner and do this, then put the belt on the pulley. I can't do it with one hand, so hold on. Alright, we got the belt on. Now, what you want to do is torque those down. I don't know what the torque specifications are for those. I just got them tight. I don't know. So, if I find out by the time I put this video out, I'll put it in the description or something. But now you want to turn your car on for like 10 seconds to make sure your belts run on the pulleys and don't come off. Gonna make sure you don't have no tools or nothing up there on the engine bay. Okay, we're gonna turn the car on for a couple seconds. Now we're gonna go up here and check, make sure all the belts and everything are still on. Like I said, you really can't see them from the top. That's why I'm making this video from the bottom. Alright, everything's still looking good down there. So I will call this one a success. Alright, there you have it. Like I said, the thing about these things, they look so nice, but you could barely see them. Like that's the water pump pulley, and then these other ones with this cold air intake, you can't really see nothing down there. So, what I'm thinking, I wonder if I could switch these out to the Steeda idler pulleys, or whatever you call them. At least it'll look nice right there. There's one there, and there's one right there too. Comment below if you know if you could switch those out, if they're the same size. It's right here. Alright, and there we have this right here. Put this bad boy in the car, there's not much to it. Just take your old one off. Put the new one on. Ooh. Okay. Let me see what we got going on here, because this is like, don't fit, so I'm gonna assume this goes on here like that. Push it down, I don't know. So I guess it goes like that. I don't know. Yeah, according to their webpage, that's how it goes. I guess that's cool. So there you have it, the Steeda AC check valve cover. Alright. Once again, I'm getting bored with these YouTube videos. I got a bunch of them on hand ready to go. So just comment below on what you might want to see me do for the next video, because I have a bunch of them that's on ready, set, go. But you know, I get bored real easily with this stuff. Not the car itself. I love doing the car shit, that's what I work hard for. But I'm just talking about these YouTube videos. and Instagram. I'm getting kind of bored with it all that social media stuff. Alright, you know the routine. Don't drink and drive. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at This50Go. Till next time, peace.